Friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on Indian Contract Act 1872. So let's start with question number 1. The Indian Contract Act 1872 is divided into dash chapters. The options are A3, B8, C10, D15 and the correct answer is B8. Question number 2. The law of contract is nothing but A. A child of commercial dealing, B. A child of religion, C. A child of day-to-day politics, D. A child of economics. And the answer is A. A child of commercial dealing. Question number 3. The Contract Act came into force. The options A. From 1st September 1872 but with retrospective effect. Option B. Before 1st September 1872. Option C. From 1st September 1872. Option D. After 1st September 1872. And the answer is C. From 1st September 1872. Question number 4. The Contract Act applies to option A. Contracts made before 1st September 1872. Option B. Contracts made on 1st September 1868. Option C. Contract made before 1st September 1872 and to be enforced after 1st September 1872. And option D. Contracts made on and after 1st September 1872. And the correct answer is D. Contracts made on and after 1st September 1872. Question number 5. An Indian mercantile law is based upon A. Indian culture, B. British culture, C. England law, D. American law. And the answer is C. England law. Question number 6. An agreement consists of reciprocal promises between at least A. 4 parties, B. 6 parties, C. 3 parties, D. 2 parties. And the correct answer is D. 2 parties. Question number 7. Contractual rights and duties are created by A. State, B. Statute, C. Parties, D. Custom or usage. And the answer is C. Parties. Question number 8. In India, the express provisions of the Contract Act applies to A. Hundis, B. Mohammedan, C. Businessman, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 9. Who said contract is an agreement creating and defining obligations between parties? Option A. Peter Drucker, B. Salmon, C. Austin, D. Pollock. And the correct answer is B. Salmon. Question number 10. Agreement is defined in section dash of the Indian Contract Act 1872. The options are A. 2 subsection C, option B. 2 subsection E, option C. 2 subsection G, option D. 2 subsection I. And the correct answer is B. 2 subsection E. Question number 11. Every promise and every set of promise forming the consideration for each other is a or an. Option A. Contract, B. Agreement, C. Offer, D. Acceptance. And the answer is B. Agreement. Question number 12. Where there is no express provision in a Contract Act The following prevails and applied for deciding the cases. Your options are A. The provisions of any law of the land. B. The uses of the trade. Option C. The provisions of personal law. Option D. Any of the above if not inconsistent with the provisions of the Contract Act. And the correct answer is D. Any of the above if not inconsistent with the provisions of the Contract Act. Question number 13. A contract needs to be written, registered and signed by parties and witness. Your options are A. If any party wishes so. Option B. If the Contract Act directs so. Option C. If the law governing the contract requires so. Option D. If the consideration is of large amount. And the correct answer is C. If the law governing the contract requires so. Let's move on question number 14. A and B contract to marry each other. Before the time for the marriage, A goes mad. The contract becomes option A void, B illegal, C valid, D voidable. And the correct answer is A void. Question number 15. Dash implies a contract though the parties never expressed their intention to enter into a contract. Your options are A. Express contract, B. Implied contract, C. Tacit contract, D. Unlawful contract. And the correct answer is B. Implied contract. Question number 16. Consideration. An object of an agreement is unlawful if is A. Is forbidden by law, B. Would defeat the provisions of any law. Option C. Either A or B. Option D. Neither A nor B. And the correct answer is C. Either A or B. Question number 17. Contracts classified on the basis of performance are A. Executive contracts, B. Executory contracts, C. Partly executed or partly executory contracts, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 18. Express contracts means a contract made by option A. Words either spoken or written, B. Documents, C. Both words and documents, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 19. An offer may be made option A. By words, B. By conduct, C. Either A or B, option D. Neither A nor B. And the correct answer is C. Either A or B. Question number 20. Offer can be accepted by A. Offerer, B. Offeree, C. Promiser, D. Either A or B. And the answer is B. Offeree. Question number 21. An acceptance of offer may be made option A. By words, B. By conduct, C. Either A or B, option D. Neither A nor B. And the correct answer is C. Either A or B. Question number 22. Capacity to contract has been defined in option A. Section 10, option B. Section 11, option C. Section 12, option D. Section 25. And the correct answer is B. Section 11. Question number 23. Competence to contract means option A. Age of the parties, B. Soundness of mind of the parties, option C. Both A and B, option D. Intelligence of the parties. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 24. Consent means parties agreeing on your options. A. The terms of the contract. B. Some terms of the contract. C. The same thing in the same sense. Option D. Any matter of the contract. And the correct answer is D. Any matter of the contract. Question number 25. Section dash of the Indian Contract Act deals with consent. Your options are A. 12, B. 13, C. 14, D. 15, and the correct answer is B. 13. Question number 26. Consent means. Your options: A. Unity of minds on the same thing. B. Meeting of minds on the same thing in the same sense. Option C. Agreeing on the same thing in the same sense. Option D. Either A or B or C. And the correct answer is D. Either A or B or C. Let's move on question number 27. Free consent is dealt with under section dash of the Indian Contract Act. Option A 12, option B 13, option C 14, option D 15, and the correct answer is C 14.